Hello, this is Durkesh Pratap Singh from Jadavpur University, Kolkata, as a part of final assignment of tall building design from Skyfi Labs. Here we have designed a G plus 23 story building and which is having different set of similar stories, and we have applied same dead load on all the stories of 2 kN per meter square and live load of 5 kN per meter square for story 1 to 8, 4.5 kN per meter square for story 9 to 11, 4 kN per meter square for 15 to 11, 15 to 19, and 3.5 kN per meter square for story 20 to 23. We have used different section of beams and columns, and we have used auto select option so that the software will itself select the column and beams for the design. We have used M40 concrete grade HYSD 500 and mild 250 rebar. We have auto draw cladding used. Cladding load is 0.2 kN per meter. We have considered the wind load parameter for Bangalore. For this, we have first define all the material properties by going to the define menu like M40 HYSD mild 250. After that, we have defined the section properties like frame sections of beam 500 by 300, 550 by 350, 600 by 400, beam auto select, beam column 500 by 500, column 550 by 550, column 600 by 600, column auto select. After that, we have defined the slabs. The slab is of thickness 150 mm. After defining all these, we have applied the dead load and live load by going to assign menu and cell loads. For wind load, we have gone to wind pressure coefficient and set the different values of coefficient for different sections. After applying all the loads, we have run the analysis of the building model. As the building is a G plus 23 story, so it will take some time. Here we can see the displacement by going to the each sections. We can also see the force and stress like shear force and bending moment. We can easily show the shear force and bending moment. After doing this, we will run the design check. First, we have to confirm that the design code is IS 456 2000. After confirming this, we will apply the design check. We will start design check. Software is designing all the beams and columns. We have seen that analysis and design section of 7 concreting. We have to reiterate the analysis. As we have select the beam auto select and column auto select, so we have to reiterate the process for safest beam and column. For the reinforcement, we can check here the reinforcement of each and every beams and columns. After this, we will verify that all the members have passed or not. We will go to design, concrete frame design, verify all member pass. See that all concrete frame has been passed the design check. We can also see the detailing from this, right clicking it, and we can check the reinforcement from here. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.